how to loop videos on YouTube. So first thing first, let's open the YouTube app. And now you can see I have already opened a video, and in this video you can see there is settings option at the top right corner. So just tap on that settings icon, and now you can see there is more options just down below of this section. So once you tap on more, you'll be able to see the loop video option. So you just need to enable this option, and yeah, you will be able to loop your video successfully. So if you go to settings and if you go to more again, and if you see, then the loop has been enabled. So if I want to disable this again, so just tap on it again, and yeah, it will be disabled successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to loop your video on YouTube. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.